Okay, we're back again with the Cobra. We're outside this time because it's actually warm out. So, what we're going to try and do today, I'm probably going to pull the accessories off as much as I can, drain all the fluids. There's still a little bit of coolant left in here, and a bit of, there's oil also left in here. Valley's mess, so we might vacuum that out a bit. You know what, I think we'll actually do that first. It's gonna blow your guys' ears out, but it's kind of dirty in there, so give me a moment. Okay, so before I do this, I'm warning you, close your ears. 90-something step on the short. By the way, if you guys hear clacking and banging and stuff like that in the background, it's just me pulling stuff out of my garage. I'm using a Rhino ramp to stand on. That's right, it'd be nice to plug this in. It would actually turn on. So, all right, close your ears. I'm warning you. Let me see how far down the ports I can get with this thin one. Ooh, I can get pretty far down there. We're gonna try it. Hang on. Retooling real quick. Hang on. All right. I'll talk to you in a minute. Oh, there it goes. Let's see. I could probably hit it easier from the other side, actually. Hang on. Hey, go around you guys. Those of you saying you're throwing stuff into the intake port, like the intake ports are already trashed. Well, not completely trashed, but they're dirty anyway. So the head, like this entire engine's getting rebuilt, so try that. Like again, this entire engine's coming apart. Like it has to. It's been hydrolocked, so I don't know how far the damage is until I take it apart. So if you're crying about stuff on the intake port, like tough shit, it's gonna get knocked out of there with like some brake clean or something later. I'll clean it. Okay, enough with trying to take Dad's shot back. Okay, so yes, I'm short and also it's way jacked up. So yeah, it cleaned a little bit. Let's get a light in there. Also, sorry if this video is gonna be short. This the phone's sitting in the sun and it's like 80 something, so you're probably gonna overheat today. Oh wow, it actually did clean out the ports a lot. It sucked like everything out. Nice. Nice. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. I can't really see the camera, but we'll give it a try. Yeah, can you guys see? You guys see? See how it sucked out most of the stuff, so now you just see the super rusty valves, which is why they need to be replaced. And they're gonna be, I'm getting new ones in, cleaning the ports, lapping them. See? The nice thing is the heads are aluminum, so they don't rust. But obviously, you know, it's not the greatest thing to have the valves all rusty. Let me set you guys back down. Get you into position. So you can see everything. But yeah, see, that wasn't that bad. I'll try and move you guys under too when I start working on stuff underneath the car. I'll probably just leave the knock sensors in there. The thing is, I'm trying to decide what else I want to do right now while I'm up top. I could unplug some more stuff, I guess. Get some more of the harness out of the way. That's going all the way down to the crank sensor and AC. AC came off without a hitch. Wow. By that I mean the AC connector, not the bracket. I didn't get it off of my hands. I wish I was that strong. Then again, that would mean I'm also breaking bolts. So maybe I don't wish I was that strong. Let's get the other ramp. Also, I'm sorry if you guys can't really hear me. I don't have a mic. I'm using everything built in with a Pixel, so that's just the way it is. Oh, water is in there. Sorry, I don't know if I'm gonna be buying a GoPro just to show you guys this stuff or anything like that. Maybe I'll find one on Craigslist or something. What the fuck? Oh, there it goes. No, that's right. I gotta pull the reservoir off a little bit. 10, 10, 10. A bunch of 10s. Okay, that was very loose. That one was actually very loose. So those were both incredibly loose. Okay, that's disconnected. Does the connector, does the bracket seriously have to come off first? Can this connector fit? Not connected fit through? There we go. Just had to bend the bracket a little bit. Pull these out. Mess. Let's see. SPC plugged in. What else? Dev rear and fan definitely got to come out. There's a hole right here for the button, I think. So otherwise this ain't coming off, so I have to get a pick or a screwdriver. Oops, sorry guys. Hang on. Yeah, like I said, I tilted you guys up with a roll of tape because the tilt on the tripod don't go that far. So okay, there goes that. Yep, and then plastic broke. Don't worry, it's just the tabs that hold in the wiring harness. It's no big deal. We don't care that much. All the shit's broken like Cobra because it's all these balls. It's been through 3 trillion heat cycles, so you know that's just how it is. That's loosening out of the way. The harness, we're just gonna get it loose and get it out of the way. That's all we're really trying to do right now. And then probably pull some stuff off. Like I said, I'm sorry if the video cuts, but I cannot, but you're in the sun, so you're probably gonna overheat. I unplugged the crank sensor from here. Almost. I have to go underneath to do that. Oh. Well, we know someone's been here before. Oh no. I thought the tab was broken. Looks like it's not, it just wasn't, I don't think this was fully seated. That's nice. Oh, a zip tie. Nice to know I'm not the only one that uses zip ties to keep the wiring harness out of the way. Cutters. Okay. Loose. What else is loose? Oh yeah, your mom. Okay. Not okay. Sender's unplugged. I think this is a 10. Yeah, I think that's a 10. Hang on, I'm not showing you guys what's going on underneath. I'm just trying to get the harness out. Let me try and lower you a little bit. This is gonna make some of you puke. So, just give me one moment. The tripod is actually too big to get underneath. It's actually too tall. But what we'll do is I'll bring you underneath real quick. Yeah, you see that bolt right there? That one, I'm just taking that one out so you're not missing anything, just so I can pull the harness away. I might take this one out too, just so I can pull the harness away. Hopefully you could see that. Yeah, that one right there. That one. So, hang on one second. Like I said, hang on one sec. I think these are 10s. They kind of look like it, but I'm probably wrong. Watch it be something stupid. Like an 11? Yeah, it's not 10. 13 maybe. Like I said, watch it be something stupid like that. I don't like an 11. Watch me be dumb. Nope, it is a 13. Now it won't come out of my socket because of the rust or stuff that's just accumulated on this thing for so long. Alright, that one's off too. You're dirty. Yeah, there are the nuts. Like I said, dirty. This thing's had leaks oil out of every orifice it can. It doesn't look like anything's been ever replaced in terms of the gasket. Like the valve cover's leaking, timing cover's leaking, or at least it was at one point when it was actually running. Valve covers, both of them. Timing cover, I think the oil pan once had a leak. I think the rear main seal also has a leak. But gasket set will fix that. Now I'm just gonna put this back in loosely just so I don't lose the bolts, because I don't really want to take this out right now. Fucking God, I'm done. I'm using a 13 to screw in a 10. Don't know why I thought that would work. Like I said, I'm not gonna put them in all the way. This one don't want to go in. Okay, whatever. I gotta sneeze real bad. That's what it's like when you get allergies. Okay. Let's get the drain plug on done. And I'm gonna get our old Harbor Freight moving blanket. I'll put this underneath and I'll try and bring you guys underneath as well so you can see. Just give me a moment. Man, it is really oily under here. It's really oily. I want to say this is a 16 on the oil pan. And I'm right. That's a really weird size. Okay. I'll try and get you guys underneath, but no promises. Because tripod's kind of, even on a short height, it's kind of big. So I don't know what I want to do about that. Can you guys see? Maybe if I tilt it a little bit more. Yeah. You guys can see. You guys can see. You can see good enough. Oh wow, that was like not even tight. Oh, that is not good. Oh, that's not good. All right, well, looks like the head's gonna need to be resurfaced already. Yeah. Can you guys see that? You guys can see that, right? In case you can't tell what that is, that's coolant. That's not oil. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Let me get a little. Can you see that? That's not coolant. I mean, that's not oil, that's coolant. It's green. It's green coming out of the oil pan. So not only did this thing hydrolock, it popped the head gasket. Yeah, I was not expecting that. We're gonna see how bad, this motor is gonna be bad. I have even lower hopes for this motor now than when we found out it did hydrolock yesterday. Because that's not supposed to happen. Oh. That's a lot. That's where all the coolant went. I might have to plug this and get another one of these. I did not expect that much coolant. I'm gonna have to text the previous owner and let him know. That's a lot of coolant. This isn't stopping. Like, this is not stopping. Look, it's still coolant. It's still coolant. See? It's still coolant. Yes, I got some almost in my eye. I'll live. There's oil. Okay, we're actually gonna stop the oil for a second. Jesus Christ. Man, this dude really blew this thing up. Like, I thought he, I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. Yeah. This is what happens when you take on someone's project, so. Okay. As you can see, we do have a second one that we're gonna use, because that other one right there is mostly full of coolant. So hang on. Let me throw my gloves back on. So that explains the low coolant level. It didn't evaporate. It all went into the oil pan. So it's fucked. I can say for 100% this engine's fucked. We're gonna set that aside in case there's more coolant. Rest and piss 4 valve. You will be missed, or it should be. You will not be missed, but. There's still a little bit of mix of coolant with the oil. Now it's oil coming out. So, yeah, if I wasn't using you guys to record right now, by you guys I mean my phone, oh, Jesus Christ, I would text previous owner and be like, yeah, there was oil, there was water, there was coolant in the oil, so you blew a head gasket. Like, yeah. Yeah, this is I've never dealt with this before, so, but yeah, this is gone. Oh, it's welded in? But yeah, she's fucked, boys. Rest in piss. There's no hope. Well, let's say that, but the head and the block's gonna need to be resurfaced, so we're gonna let that go for a minute. See if you guys are still recording. Indeed, you are. Okay. I say you guys saw all of that. It's a little bit of, what? Sorry. It's a little oil and coolant mixture still coming out, like barely. So this thing on the left that got all coolant in it, here. What the hell just dripped on me? Okay. This thing's like all ready. There's so much coolant, it's like half full. This is a 16 quart. Yeah, 16 quart capacity. Yeah. Or it might even be more than that. If yeah. Anyway. Yeah, so she's cooked. She's pretty cooked. I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna get a drink of water because I did not expect that. Okay, we're back. By back, I mean outside. Okay. So yeah, this dude really fucked this motor. Okay. All right, well, I just saw two birds mate down the street. That was cool, I guess. It's still kind of dripping, but it has like the consistency of water. Like it's... Yeah, there's like a little bit of a mix going on right now. I don't know why I'm wiping this down. This whole thing's dirty as shit. But yeah, so this controller's rusted all the hell. So is this one. Man, it's just like mine. This is a Florida car. Why is there rust on it? Huh. It's got a oh God, what is this called? I'm dumb. I can't think right now. I'm just surprised. Okay, let's pull stuff out. There, you hear how much water's in there? We're actually still going to need this because we're going to get the filter as well, which is probably going to be full of shit as well. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, can't wait for this thing to be way more hand tight. Oh my God, there's coolant coming out of here too. Hang on, I gotta grab the other one. I'm gonna try and keep the oil and coolant separate, but you know, I don't really have a say in that because the engine's gonna dump out whichever one it wants. But and there's coolant. There's coolant. Yeah, this is coming from the oil filter, by the way. Now there's oil. Okay. Man, I tell you, he said it went bang, and indeed it did. And we're gonna have to show this to. I'm gonna have to I do cars and show him some carnage. he shows us carnage, I might have to send this to him. See how bad this is. He had a 464 valve on the channel. Most of you probably Spanish wearing glasses, face mask. I'm not wrong. There's coolant in the oil cap. I mean, the oil filter. Awesome. So this thing popped that gasket. Yeah. That's the only way these two mix. So yeah, that's bad. Potentially nothing can't be fixed, depends on how torched the lock and head are, but yeah, that ain't the best. I assume some of you guys want me to cut this open and see what's in it, but I'm gonna tell you it's not gonna be good. Anyway. Extended performance. So someone didn't like to do oil changes. Protects for 1 year or 20,000 miles. I believe you. See, look, there's more coolant in it. By I believe you, I mean I don't. I don't know why I pulled this off, actually. I don't need to see anything that's in here. We could pull the engine with this, I'm pretty sure. I guess I just want to see how bad this is. There's still coolant in here. Hang on. That's mostly coolant in there, see? Oh, there it goes. There's some more. So, guess I'm putting this back on for now. And I'm not gonna tighten it that much because I don't care. We're gonna spray her down with some degreaser, parts cleaner, and degreaser. There we go. We hosed her down. I'm going to just do that so it's not completely dripping everywhere. It's filthy under here, I gotta tell you. Jesus fucking Christ, look at that. Okay, well, we're gonna pull some of this stuff back out. Drain the radiator. Actually, hang on there, dude. I'm gonna put a little bit of cardboard down for this, because this one I think is gonna be bad. By bad, I mean go everywhere. Yes, the valve's on this side. Okay, so open this back up. So there's a valve on these radiators. I'm going to show you right there. See a little plastic thing right there? Right there. It opens up and it'll let the coolant drain. So that's what I'm going to open right now. Okay. Push you guys back in your spot. I can't really tilt you guys anymore, sorry. That's what I can do. I don't know what size that is. Watch it be something stupid like a, you know what, we're gonna go for 16 again. Put this 10 back before I forget. No, it's 13. What the hell? Oh. Okay. Let's see. Nope, 16 is not big enough. That's like 18 or 19. Hang on. You'll be a little smarter. We'll grab both and try. Nope. 18? It is a 19. Okay, it's gonna splash everywhere, so. Told you. We're just gonna let it go. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go. You know, I can make it go a little bit faster. I'm probably just gonna wait. All right. We'll have a backup right here in case this thing gets full. Let's see if I got another one. Okay, I got another one of those, but it's buried, so we got a bucket. Yes, I opened it a bit more. Hopefully you guys aren't getting splashed on. Here, hang on, let me move you a little bit. There. Now you can see. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit for that to fully drain. As you're probably saying, open the radiator. There's nothing on this radiator open. The overflow tank's completely pulled off, so that port's open. And the hoses are all open too, so. It's just wait and let it drain. I don't know if you guys want to watch this, but I guess I'll let it go. That's getting low, maybe. Well, I'll say is it'll get low and then I'll pull the thermostat housing and it'll go everywhere. Like it'll just do just like how this is. How this did when I opened it up, it'll just everywhere, no doubt. I don't know how much battery I got left on this thing. How are we doing? Oh, it won't tell me. All right, it's getting low. At least I hope. Of course, you know. we'll end up pulling the engine, and then when you go and tilt the engine over, like another gallon will pop out of nowhere. It's just how it is. If you've ever pulled an engine apart, you'll know. Let's just throw that right there. Shop towels. Most efficient use. I'm gonna, as much as I shouldn't take a look, I'm gonna put some glasses on and take a look at how this is doing. It is tight. Okay, yeah, the valve is completely loose. It's just like barely leaking out now. Oh, hey, to the intake. I knew when I went to Walmart to get some wheel chocks because I put mine in my other car accidentally. I was like, I should grab 2 of these. Yeah, nice job, dumbass. Don't listen to yourself at all. Alright, do we pull the thermostat and let it piss everywhere? I think we do. Alright, you guys are going to want to see this. Hang on. Okay. You guys will want to see. So yes, I'm gonna catch it with the bucket first. Right here, just right here is back up. Okay, so can you guys see? Yeah, you can just see. Okay, let me turn it. Okay, so yeah, right above that bucket. I'll show you right there. You see that thermostat housing? It's right above the bucket. So 2 10s or 8s, and we're gonna see how she do. So here you go. It's gonna see it. Yes, I am wearing glasses this time. I learned from my mistakes, kind of. Yep, 2 8s. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. Even though it looks like we drained a lot, it's gonna go everywhere. I'm telling you. Watch. You guys watching? You guys watching? Because I'm telling you, it's gonna go everywhere. Broke that one. Looks like we're at new thermostat housing because I'm not drilling that out. Let's see, should we go 2 for 2? Break this housing? Yeah, let's do it. Oh, this one came out. This one came out. It is really crusty, so that explains the other one. All right, we're gonna separate it and let it piss. Oh, it's starting. Watch, boys. Eyes open. Oh, my neighbors got home. In case you can't tell, because I can't. see, you thought it all got drained out of the radiator, but there's still a lot left. I bet you once I remove this, okay, the thermostat's kind of stuck. Hang on. Hang on. This will get it. Called it. That's why you wear glasses. So I wore glasses, so I protected myself. I'm still good. None got in my eyes. You know, taste a little bit of it, but it don't taste that bad. It just don't taste that good. I don't know how to describe the taste. Yeah, I know, I'm spitting everywhere. Like I said, a tiny bit got in my mouth, but thermostat came down with that. So, and none got in my eyes, so we're all good. I'm gonna live. Was that the smartest thing I've done? Nah. Happened last time, I'm pretty sure. I wasn't recording, but pretty sure it did. You ever know when you guys know when you do something and it's sort of, you know, you get some memory and you can't actually remember it. But then something like this happens, you're like, oh yeah, I remember when that happened the first time. And I haven't thought about it in a while. That's what happened there. Hang on. I'm not gonna go back under there without glass. Hang on one sec. Huh, there's some in my hair too. Lovely. Rinsing that with water. There we go. All right, I don't taste antifreeze anymore. So we're good. We're good if I can only remember where the cap to my water went, because I don't. I thought I put it up in the toolbox. Where the fuck did I put it? You guys be amazed how easily I lose stuff. I just put it down and I lost it. You guys still looking? Yeah, you're still looking. Yeah, just set the goddamn cat down. Where is it? Fucking hell. Here it is. Found it. Okay, so we're going back under after it got done.